Hello, welcome to this tutorial video, and congratulations for being able to purchase Ink AI. Yes, Ink AI gives you the opportunity to bring your ideas to life. It gives you the opportunity to write your book using your imagination or without even using your imagination at all. You've got a lot of features that can help you to create various contents as you may deem necessary. Of course, this ebook app gives you the opportunity to make use of other contents you might have elsewhere, perhaps from your website, or using any URL at all. You can, curl or bring any content from there and turn those contents into an ebook. That is interesting, right? Of course, you can make use of the content from your Google Doc as well, or from your Microsoft Word, or from any other platform that you may deem necessary. All of those contents will not waste with the use of Ink AI. All of those contents are not a waste at all, because you have been able to successfully purchase Ink AI. And Ink AI will allow you to put them together and turn them into an ebook, and eventually you get to sell your ebook without any stress at all. So now, if you've been able to log in successfully to your Ink AI dashboard, this is exactly how it looks. And the first thing you have to do to create an ebook is to click on projects here. You click on projects and you're gonna have create ebook, create flipbook, manage, right? 3 other features subsumed on the project, right? So you have to click on create ebook first, and once you do that, you're gonna have these various features itemized for you, and you can start from scratch, you can start from template using our template, you can use Word document, you can make use of content from your Word document. You can import from blog post or any URL at all. You can use Google document as well, just like I had mentioned earlier. Now, if you want to start from scratch, you have to click on start from scratch here, and you move down a bit and you click on next here. And then, of course, you have to input your details here. The title of the ebook you want to create, the author, that is your name, and the keywords of the ebook here. Then once you do that, you click on create. Say we want to create an ebook on say affiliate marketing. Then the author is John. Now you click on create. So you're gonna have a blank space like this where you can create your content, where you can actually write anything, where you can write a book from scratch. So now what do you have to do? You just have to come here to this sidebar here. You have text, you got image, you have circle, you have rectangle, and you have exit editor here. So the first feature you have to click on here is the text, right? And once you click on that, you're gonna have text here, which you can drag here or to anywhere you want to drag it to begin to create your content. And once you leave it, these other features will be popped up. These other features will pop up for you to make it out, right? But then we don't want to stress you, and if you want to use it, you can make use of all of these features here to create your content. Then here, this is where you can download whatever it is you've created in PDF format, and here you can save the progress of your work. Of course, while you're working on, while you're typing, while you're writing your ebook, it is important that you save the progress of your work, right? So that your work will be saved on your account. But then we don't want to stress you. We've got a whole lot of templates for you to just make use of, because we believe, of course, you don't have the time to tarry. Okay, so now let's go back very quickly. So of course we've got a lot of templates for you, and you have the choice to pick any template you actually want to use. And here, okay, let us try this template and see how it's gonna work out and see how it will work. Now you have to input your details here. You input the title, let us say affiliate. Sorry. Yes, so we have affiliate marketing, the name, that is your name, white man, and it could be anything, and the keywords here, right? Marketing, affiliate offers, promo, campaign, and all of that, depending on what you are writing about, right? So you click on create. So now you see 10 ways to become a pro marketer. This is our template, right? You can just scroll down to check, right? And you move back again, right? Now we have many features here, right? We have the download feature, right? You can download in PDF. We have the save progress feature here. Got the AI bot that can generate any content for you. And if you want to hide your content, if you want to show your content, right? You can click here, whatever it is. If you want to show your content, you click here. Then to make use of opacity, right? We've got that there. And if you want to switch to a particular page, you can write a page here, or you move one after the other to another page, as the case may be. Now we have different features here with the text, image, circle, rectangle, exit editor, and all of that. So now the moment you click on each of these features, there are some other features that will appear up here, which determines how you make use of them. Right. So now imagine I want to change all these now, so I can click on them one after the other, right, and input something different, right? So now let me change the color of these, and the moment I click on it, these two icons will pop up for me, and I can just probably change the color, right, and the text color here, change it to maybe blue. You have these, but let me stick to these, right? You can, of course, bold it, you remove the bold, right? So that's it. Now moving on. So this particular image here, again, once you click on it, you can move it to anywhere you want, right? You can reduce it, you can even change it completely. And of course, for you to remove it, what do you have to do? You have to, okay, now let me adjust it. Now for you to change it, okay, you can extend it if you want, right? Now you just click on this delete element and it's gone. So now you only have to come here and click on image here, right? And you will be able to bring in your own image. Upload your image, right? Bring it down, right? And you scroll down a bit. You adjust the image. Adjust the image. Okay. And you can just change this content.